Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to link your TikTok Shop account to your BigCommerce store using M2E. First, log in to your BigCommerce admin panel. From the left-hand menu, select Apps, then click Discover Apps in the App Marketplace. This opens the BigCommerce App Marketplace. In the search bar, type M2E TikTok. You'll see two M2E apps in the results: M2E Multichannel and TikTok Shop Connect by M2E Cloud. If your main goal is to connect BigCommerce with TikTok Shop, choose TikTok Shop Connect by M2E Cloud. If you're already selling on multiple marketplaces or planning to grow beyond TikTok Shop soon, choose M2E Multichannel Connect. It helps you scale faster by managing TikTok Shop, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and other channels from one place. Click on it and hit Get this app. Click Install and confirm the permissions when prompted. Once installed, the app will appear under My Apps in your BigCommerce admin. Open it from there. Now let's set up your M2E account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, click Register Now and fill in your details. This creates your profile on M2E accounts. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions, check the agreement box, and click Create Account. Next, you'll need to link your TikTok Shop account. Click Connect Marketplace Account, then hit Connect. Select your region depending on where your account is registered. Click Connect to proceed. You'll be redirected to TikTok Shop Seller Center to authorize the connection. If you're not already logged in, enter your TikTok credentials. Once authorized, you'll be brought back to the app. And if everything is correct, your TikTok Shop account is now linked. That's it. You're now on a 30-day free trial. Follow the app setup guide to configure your products, inventory sync, and order settings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.